Have you ever wondered what makes a fire sprinkler system spring into action? Today we're diving into the mechanics of these essential safety devices. Fire sprinkler systems are one of the most effective ways to protect lives and property from the devastation of fire. They are crucial components of modern building safety. These systems act fast, suppressing fires in their initial stages, which significantly reduces damage and provides critical time for occupants to evacuate and for fire services to arrive. At their core, a sprinkler system consists of a reliable water source, a network of pipes, and the individual sprinkler heads mounted throughout a building. The key to a sprinkler system's effectiveness lies in the individual sprinkler head activation. Unlike movies, typically only the head directly over the fire activates. Each sprinkler head is kept sealed by a heat-sensitive element. This is usually a small glass bulb filled with a liquid or a fusible metal link. When a fire starts, the rising heat causes the liquid in the glass bulb to expand, eventually shattering the glass, or melts the fusible link, releasing the seal. Once the seal is broken, pressurized water immediately begins to flow from that specific sprinkler head and onto the area of the fire. Systems come in two main types: wet pipe, where water is constantly in the pipes, and dry pipe, used in colder areas where air pressure holds back water until activation. Crucially, the system is designed so only the sprinkler head exposed to sufficient heat will activate. This minimizes water damage to other areas of the building. The water hits a deflector plate at the base of the sprinkler head. This plate ensures the water is evenly distributed over a wide area to effectively control or extinguish the fire. Modern sprinkler systems do more than just spray water. They are integrated with monitoring and alarm systems. When water begins to flow, a flow switch detects the pressure change and triggers an audible alarm inside the building, alerting occupants to the fire. This flow switch also transmits a signal to a central monitoring station, which then notifies the fire department and emergency services immediately. Fire sprinkler systems are an indispensable part of fire protection, designed to save lives and minimize destruction quickly and efficiently. The combination of rapid heat detection and targeted water delivery ensures that a small problem is contained before it becomes a devastating tragedy. Thank you for learning about how these systems work. Stay safe, and remember the importance of fire safety awareness in all buildings.